feel see your foot them longer. You feel see your fist them stronger. But why you couldn't have been a wronger. Cause my youth, me are the real street monger. Hit you with the tatty matters beauty. My own fast like a whirlwind. Then you hit me with your sure you can. Then me hit you with me fire sure you can. The end.
Really? Are you sure, Ken? You say you're better, but are you really Ken?
You say you're better, but are you Ken? Let me tell you when me better than you can. From me grow, my dada was cooking. So I've been training longer than you've been. Plus me man's not the wickedest I do.
Baba, they stretch my foot on the street like tire. Listen me out when me up like a wire. None of them boy, them not bad, them a liar.
You can't perish it with your foot on fire.
First me tell that boy, let me hit you with a noogie. In flames like a torch, and I do my yoga boogie. See me now me shot, and he take me like he hobby. Slip under him arm like me or do the doggy. Watch my hands elastic like rubber band. Meditate and as I beat up this blubber. Listen, please, we beat you out your bangle. The longer your neck, the more it will get stronger. You sense my power and that shit left you dangle. If that was Blanca, your face would have been mangled. Remember the time when Blanca pied Zangief? You kick him down through, God damn him gave that man grief. Spinning pile driver to the concrete. Then him point pan Balrog like them have beef. But Blanca, I piece him bite him with them damn teeth. But the funny part about it, both of them rock chest leaf. Excuse me, Rari, but there's a hole in your chest piece. And your eye red like you smoke a lot of Cecily.
Oh, that's the power of the Satino Ado. And then I'm in blood from the little and I grow. Oh, come on, can't stop going like you don't know.
Last time me and with me, I beat you like a hoe.
Oh yeah, that's cool, the same thing happened to me. We beat you up bad like you wasn't a friend of me. Shit felt wicked, but I forgot who was the enemy. Yeah, Bison Slick, he released it with his chemistry. But he not need that to beat fucking Zagat. Me give him a scar he will never forget. Tiger uppercut him, take tigers up his butt. Like all Bison hires is fucking faggots.
Big up in a bitch since they got jealous. He only bad enough to beat Chun-Li's nemesis. She kick him through a wall, come on, you know remember this.
Yeah.
She gave him like 20 kicks.
Young boy, that's nice. You fought me and nearly lost your life. Check out me dress and catch up like knife. Jump, flip, pause, slide. Biggest pretty face is gonna need some eyes. Sure, you can kill him one strike.
Bigger feels me, now he will suffer. Sagat was a fool, he should have never rushed ya. Wrong with no punch like Douglas Buster.
But none of them have had them a psycho crusher.
Stomping on your head that Michael Crusher. Dancing on your feet
like Mike or Usher.
Then we sweep your feet like Boom or Duster. 8-hit combo will leave that pussy fluster. Kendrick and Chim with the tatty matters puking. Then we hit him with machine jaw you can. Then we finish him with a double hard you can. None of them are on rhyme. Off the light just like a car Edison. Beat off your face tonight that I have medicine. Man a G, man a pre man. The two of them be free man. Them not even bother them me blood clot see. Me not even the breathing. They kill you for no reason. Blood red in my eyes. Man a fucking raging demon.